Welcome back to Mobility Solutions, where today we are going over the specs of the all-new Pride Victory Platinum. As part of the Platinum series, the all-new Victory Platinum is proudly made in the USA of foreign and domestic parts and assembled in Mississippi. The weight capacity is 400 pounds. It has a top speed of 6 miles per hour, a turning radius of 45.5 inches, and battery range of up to 15.5 miles. The Easy Turn technology gives it the 3-wheel turning radius on a 4-wheel unit. The Charge 360 magnetic charging makes it easier than ever to stay powered up. It has a one-handed tiller adjustment located on the Delta tiller. It has full front and rear suspension for a smooth ride over uneven terrain. The Feather Touch disassembly easily separates the unit into 5 pieces. The maximum intensity LED headlight provides visibility in darker environments. It comes with a front basket and pair of rear-view mirrors. It comes standard with an 18-inch by 17-inch pinchless hinge, black vinyl seat with 8-point swivel and sliders, non-scuffing black tires. And lastly, it comes in 2 matte color options, the Cardinal Red and Iceberg Blue. If you haven't seen the unboxing video of the Victory Platinum, go check it out on our channel today. Up next, the outdoor test. Don't forget,
if you're looking to finance something, we're offering 0% interest, 3, 6, up to 12 months on purchases, which is really cool. And it's very easy to do. So we offer it with Bread Pay.
And we have a full-length video on our channel on how to use it. Go check it out. Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.